Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a quick little Aliexpress metal die haul. I teamed up with Nicole. She is actually a designer for some of the Aliexpress stores and she designs the dies. And that's just, all of her designs are like original. So she's not copying anybody's like copyright images or anything like that. So what you're getting, you know, your YouTube's not going to be shut down if you show it on your YouTube and whatnot. Ooh, totally just cut my hand. Okay, so first thing is these little boxes. They're like shadow boxes. And when they're assembled, they are about 3 inches tall, and it comes with all the different elements. So this is the main box. I suggest cutting this out in 110-pound cardstock, and then this part where it has the perforated edges, I would do this in 110-pound as well. That's kind of going to be your lid, and then this will be your front face. So pick out the cardstock that you want, and then this decorative piece can stay off or on depending on what you want to do. And then it comes with 2 different hole reinforcers. So this is the little one that I made. Super cute, right? It is about 1 inch deep. So this one is deeper than the next one I'm going to show you. So I just did a little house, my house dies from AliExpress, the little ephemera pieces that I just got the other day. And then I did some fake Target snow out the bottom with some art glitter glue at the bottom. As you can see, I did this frame part in like a metallic gold. This is the faceplate. I don't know what you would want to call that. The front piece right here, you can see it's a pink snowflake design. And then the back is this piece, which I said was the 110-pound cardstock. So if you don't want your backing white, you could probably cut a little square and put pattern paper if you want, or cut this out in pattern paper. But again, 110-pound cardstock is going to be a lot more sturdier for your little shadow box. And this as well in the 110-pound I did. So it's layered a couple times right here. So this is the little box, and it's got the little hanging element right here so you can hang it. You can actually make these like ornaments. Super cute, right? I love the little like touches of the snow. So this is one of the dies. I'll show you the front. So this is one of the dies. It also comes in 2 other designs. So this is this faceplate. As you can see, it has this like, pay attention to the sides and the top part. Then this one does not have those little like, I don't know what, is there a fancy word to call that? Right here. So this one's smooth in, more concave, and then the other one, you can see right here, has some more spikes, I guess, and then the detailing on the top corners are different on all 3 of them as well, but they're all relatively 3 inches tall and 1 inch deep, and they all come with the pieces, the outer area, ring area. If you guys follow Nicole on Facebook, she has a Facebook group. It's AliExpress dies and stamps from Nicole. I'll link it down. I'll link all of her information down below, but that's where you can go and see her post all of her new designs. And then, you know, some of the AliExpress stores are going to have those designs. So super fun, I think, that way. I do not have a Facebook though. So there's those 3. I'll show you those pieces. So those are the miniature shadow boxes, and I also think this is a great alternative. I know I personally haven't made a big giant shadow box or received one because I don't have the room space in my craft room. I have a small room. I think it's a 9x9. I'm not sure. Yeah, 9x9. But I just don't have the room for shadow boxes and stuff, and they are heavy, and you know that costs money to ship. It's expensive to ship because they're made of wood, you know. These are a great alternative. You can make these for all the different, you know, holidays and seasons or themes. And this is the big one, which I'm moving on to right now. So this is the big one in comparison to the little one. This one is 5 inches tall and about 3/4 inches deep. As you can see the difference in the depth. So you can stick more thicker, bigger, I guess, figurines if you wanted to in here. Me, I just used ephemera and put hot glue on their feet. So this is this one. I add a little hanging element, a little handmade bow that I had. I need to add a bling center to the middle. Again, I just did 110-pound cardstock in plain white, and I did the little tree die I got from Aliexpress, the little house die from Aliexpress, and again, the ephemera from Aliexpress. So let me show you. The components of the bigger one are a little different. Let me show you. So you get 3 pieces plus the hole reinforcers. So here's the main box part. Here's the part that I would do on 110-pound cardstock, and then you fold in those pieces to like basically snap into the lid, but you're not snapping, you're gluing. And then this is the faceplate, and you pick your design. So whatever you do in this middle piece, it will show a little border around the edge, kind of like how this looks like it's gold. This piece is just going to be based off of what you use as the bottom piece. So for instance, I used pink cardstock, and then you can see the other like polka dot cardstock that I put on top. It kind of has that edge peeking out, almost the same look as this, except for this was an actual like piece. This is just layering 2 pieces, one smaller than the other, so it gives you that border look, you know? So these are the 3 pieces you get, plus the hole reinforcers, which are by my die cutting machine. So again, with these guys, there's this one, there's this faceplate looking one, so they're different, and then this one. Just, you know, big mama size versions of the baby ones. See, here's one of the hole reinforcers. It's like a little scalloped flower style. So those are the 3 like outer silhouette shapes of these 3 designs. Super cute. Okay, let me move these little shadow boxes out of the way. Oh, so cute, right? Okay, next up is this little die. It was all together, but I broke it apart. Okay, so this is, I'll show you the lid, the walls, the overlay, the top and the bottom and the over. And then this top piece is the other overlay. Okay, so that's what it looks like. And this is what it makes. So cute. It's it's shaped just like a Christmas light bulb. You would stick, so here's the top piece right here. It's got the little hole on it. Once you assemble and put everything together, you put this on lastly. And I don't have any extra strands of Christmas lights to show you, but you could stick the light bulb, the actual little Christmas light in there, like on a strand, you know, and this will be glowing out the holes. So these overlay parts, you can, what it looked like on the photos on Andy's shop was that these were made of vellum. So I did the other side, I just did like a shimmery vellum on top, and I think that this would mute the Christmas light from being so like bright and shooting through the holes versus if it has this like vellum overlay. So I did this in pink. Super cute, right? And this guy assembled is about 5 1/4 inches tall, and the diameter is probably about 3 1/4 inches like wide all the way around on the widest part. So you can use these, you can send these. I feel like in like Happy Meal, because one of the examples was just 2 of these put together with like string, kind of like a tassel. I feel like it could hang, but super cute for like decor, hanging, or making like a banner of a couple of these on strands. I think would be really cute. So yeah, that is my quick little project share for these dies. And I will link all of the shop information, the links to the dies, and then all of Nicole's information and sneak peeks that she does on her Facebook and stuff. All right, bye guys. I will catch you on the next video.